The COVID-19 pandemic has had a severe impact on the social and economic life of countries of the Latin America and the Caribbean region and has exposed the need for greater investment in health, said Dr. Carissa Etienne, Director of the Pan American Health Organization, Paho. In a recent virtual press conference, Dr. Etienne said issues of inequality and poverty play a significant role in the human suffering and
A
called
new
on
report
countries of the
released by the
region to
Economic
strengthen their
Commission on
social
Latin
safety
America and the
nets.
Caribbean last week paints a grim outlook for our region. More than 7 million companies have closed in Latin America and the Caribbean in the wake of the pandemic. More than a third of people in our region are living in poverty, and 1 in 4 worry about where they will get their next meal. Unemployment rates are higher here than any other developing region. The report shows how the pandemic continues to be fueled by inequality. And unfortunately, our region is the most unequal in the world. We urge countries to continue prioritizing health and social safety nets as part of their COVID response and as they turn their sights to COVID recovery. Social protection is key, both to help people adhere to the public health measures that we know work and to rebuild more inclusive, equitable societies.
According to the Paho director, the region has underinvested in health for too long, and the pandemic should be the incentive for significant investment in the health sector.
Across our region, we're paying the price of chronic underinvestment in health. So now is the time for countries to break this cycle by applying a public expenditure in health of at least 6% of GDP to health systems and to chart their path to recovery. But now also is the time for countries to renew their commitment to Pan-Americanism and solidarity. As we've said many times before, health is a fundamental right. It was so before COVID, and the unequal burden of this pandemic has painted the urgency of health equity under new light.
Dr. Etienne said Paho will continue to help in vaccine sourcing for the region to assist in their vaccination programs against COVID-19 and lamented that some countries of the region are still below 5% vaccination of their populations. Glenn Barth reporting for SKN Newsline.